Gracie.
Oh.
Come here.
Gracie.
Come here, look.
Wait, just put it down.
Here. Gracie. Oh, there's not barely any water coming out. You're going to have to... Other way. Whoa. You want to drown her.
She likes it.
Gracie, you're so funny. She's going to have to pee. Wow! She's going to have to pee for hours. Gracie, what do you think? Huh? Whoa. What do you think? Gracie. Grace. Gracie. Look at me. Gracie.
She's thirsty.
I know. Wait till you see her face.
Oh, I know.
And she's drenched. Gracie. Gracie. Come here. Oh, come here. Gracie. Here, wait, turn it off for a sec. I want to see. Whoa. Gracie. Gracie. Wait, pick her up. Gracie, what do you think? Gracie, you are the cutest puppy in the world. It's a good